We are going to paint 10 different Christmas trees using 10 different creative ideas. For the second Christmas card in this series, I am using masking tape, which is sticked in triangle shape. Also, I stick the masking tape to a waste watercolor paper and I cut them into thin strips. These thin strips are sticked on the triangle as shown in the video. After sticking the thin strips on the watercolor paper, I am using indigo color to paint inside that white space. After applying indigo color, I let the paper to dry completely. After the paper is dry, remove the masking tape and add star to the top of the tree and a trunk at the bottom. Now your Christmas card is ready. Hope you like this idea. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you in another video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.